Hello and welcome back to another video. It's Declan here, and I'm hands-free. I'm not holding my microphone. I bought a new stand for the microphone. Well, it's actually a mobile phone holder, but it's working. It's working, and I'm hands-free, and I'm able to get closer to the microphone. So, yeah, I'm gradually upgrading and improving things as I go along. To make things better for you, the viewers. So, and another thing, I've been highly critical of myself the last while, but when I'm doing the YouTube videos, when I'm CCing them, or what that means is that there's closed captions, I have to go in and edit that, and sometimes YouTube doesn't pick up your sentences properly, but it does in a lot of cases, and I'm using a lot of not great, not great. So I have to cut that out. So I apologize for these sort of things, but I'm learning, and sometimes you just have to take the mick out of yourself. And yeah, I said it again. Is there any hope for me? Who knows? But if you do like the videos, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. I'm constantly trying to improve. So yeah, in this video, I'm just going to show you what Meta closed at yesterday at the end of the market. So yeah, as I said again, please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video and find it informative. Around 388.40 at its peak, and it's gradually been declining ever since. And it was holding the 20-day SMA there for a while, for a number of months, and before dropping well below the SMA at the 20-day and the 50-day SMA. And as of market close yesterday, it was trading at 111.41. So I'll just take you down through here as well. So you can see the past week performance. Meta has been down minus 0.04. That's not a huge lot. 0.04 is not a huge lot. But when you see the performance per month, it's been down minus 14.18%, and performance per quarter minus 31.13%. Performance per half year minus 41.86%, and performance year to date down whopping minus 66.88%. Like that is a massive drop for any share price of any company. Like, if you had a lot of money in Meta or Facebook, you'd have lost a lot of money, and there's no two ways about it. Like, you have to realize that trading, like I trade in a small account on the eToro platform. I have $400, or sorry, €400 invested, and I have 6 stocks, and I've taken losses. I showed you my trading portfolio there a few months ago, and it was up something like 37, but I sold off some of them shares then when they were up €5-6, and then I took other trades, and I lost on Neo and I lost on Adidas, and it brought me back down to nearly break even, and I'm just up slightly now. So like, the markets have been turbulent the last few months. So I always urge caution, caution, caution when trading in the stock market. Like, if you're in chat rooms and people are saying Neo, Facebook, whatever, it's going to the moon, it's going to raise 30%. Nobody knows that. You can do all the analysis in the world, read all the balance sheets, and things can still go horribly wrong. So that's why, like anything in life, there are no guarantees in the stock market. There are no guarantees. Yeah, you just, as you get older, you realize, like, things have went wrong in your life, and I'm no different. And like, you're more cautious. So like, I would never say, oh, invest in this, it's going to 10x or it's going to shoot up or anything like that, because you don't know. Like, a company can have great earnings, but something can happen. Say a car company, there can be faulty airbags, there could be faulty brakes, there could be a massive recall, and people lose confidence in that company, and the share price plummets. So that's why I always urge on the side of caution. And like, it's no reflection on Meta, but you can see here, year to date, minus 66.88% of a drop. That's a massive drop. And I showed you this article a while back, or it was an article like this. I think it was this particular article there about a month or so ago, and the earnings. So shares of Meta plunged 24.5% on Thursday, as investors and analysts digested the company's third quarter miss and a weak fourth quarter outlook. Shares closed at 97.94. That was that time a month or so ago after the earnings, but now it's trading at 111. It's gone up slightly. So I'll just go through some of this again. Meta warned that fourth quarter would be more the same, issuing a weaker than expected outlook. It's expecting revenue for the fourth quarter to be 30 billion to 32.5 billion. Analysts were expecting sales of 32.2 billion. So Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg reiterated his commitment to spending billions of dollars developing the metaverse. Meta's Reality Labs unit, which is responsible for developing the virtual reality and related augmented reality technology that underpins its plans for the metaverse, has cost 9.4 billion so far this year. Like that, they're massive amounts. So, like, as Morgan Stanley has also downgraded the stock Thursday, citing analysts. Morgan Stanley downgraded the stock Thursday. Like this happened a month ago, citing higher spending. Cohen, John Blackledge also downgraded Meta to market perform from outperform and lowered his price target to 135 from 205 prior, citing higher trajectory of operating and capital expenses. Since the start of the year, Meta shares are down by more than 61%, as I've just shown you there on the actual charts. Since the start of the year, Meta shares are down, more than 61%. It's been hurt by competition from rivals such as TikTok. So like TikTok and short form videos, like that is also hurting Meta as well. It's drawn people away from Meta, and TikTok has become really, really popular this year. So all these things have played into how Meta has been doing, and like it is at the moment, like it's trading at market close yesterday, Friday, it was trading at 111.41. So you could argue that you could buy the dip on Facebook, or Facebook Meta, people refer to it as Facebook as well, either or. So like it has been rebranded to Meta, but I'm sorry, I kind of wandered off the point there. But what I'm saying is, like, okay, 111.41 is well off the highs of 370, 380, nearly 390, just above 390. It's well below that. And if Meta was to recover, you would make quite a good lot of money if you had a good lot of money invested, or even a small amount. You'd improve your trading account. But what's to say it's not going to dip further and further? Like, these are the things you have to be extremely careful about. No reflection on Meta or any company, but share prices have been down quite a lot, especially the last few months. The stock market has been in a sell-off mode. There's no other way to describe it. Like, so so I hope you enjoyed this analysis of Facebook. Just a quick run through of how it's done, its performance per year and on the weekly performance, and just a quick referral back to that article I showed you previously, and the ad revenue and the various problems that are causing the weakness in the share price and people to sell out of Meta. And please do hit the like and subscribe button.